Hello everyone and welcome to my channel DIY Home and Crafts. My name is Jazz and I love doing home decor, treasure videos and DIYs on a budget. For today's video, we will be making a small wooden rustic two-tier tray, and I really love it because it is very strong, and I'm gonna be using very cheap materials, and you can change some of these items that I use for other ones that you maybe have at home, just to create a project on a budget. The items or materials that we will be using are 2 wooden square boxes that you can get at Michael's for only $1. The next one is going to be this artificial grass that I get from Home Depot, or you can maybe use moss sheet that Dollar Tree have right now. You are going to need one of these plastic plates from Dollar Tree, one napkin ring also from Dollar Tree. You need one wooden dowel. You can get this one from a plunger from Dollar Tree. And the paint I'm gonna be using is this Waverly Wax in antique color from Walmart, and the Waverly Chalk paint in black color or ink from Walmart. First, I will be painting the 2 wooden square boxes with my Waverly Wax in antique color and let them dry very well. Then I will separate the wooden dowel from the plunger, and I will use my saw machine to cut 2 pieces between 3 to 4 feet long, and then I will paint them with the wax in antique color. You can find this saw machine in my Amazon store, so I'm gonna be leaving you the link in the description box of the video. Then I will be using wire bracts to nail one of the round dowels in the center of the bottom of one of the wooden boxes. Then you must stick one of these artificial grass in the other wooden box, and you need to nail that box with the other one using wire brands to form the tier tray and make it strong. I really hope that makes sense. Once you have the tray, you must make a hole to the other artificial grass piece in the center with a soldering tool of the size of the wooden dowel. And guys, the link of this soldering tool is going to be in my description box. Now you must stick this artificial grass piece in the box with hot glue and then the wooden dowel in the center. This is the best way in which that wooden dowel is stronger, since it is like difficult to put a wire brand to hold it. On the top, I'm going to stick the napkin ring to give it a nice touch, but first I really want to paint it with my Waverly chalk paint in black color and let it dry. For the bottom, I will add a base that will be this plastic plate that you can get at Dollar Tree, because have this beautiful and different shape that I really like, and I'm going to paint it in black, let it dry, and then stick it on the bottom of the tiered tray with hot glue. You can decorate this tray in many ways with things that are small, and I added some things from spring that I already had in my house, and I'm going to put a little bit of greenery and these baby breathe flowers. The windmill is from Dollar General, I think from just $1, as well as the garland that you're going to see. The little white house is from a thrift store, and I just painted it in white and added a decal. My love, this will be the result of my project, and I hope that you like it. I think it looks so beautiful and curious because it is a very small tier tray, but I really love it, and I'm so happy how the antique wax and the black color looks like. I think they work perfect together. And guys, remember to follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and on my webpage. And I just hope that you like this video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. I love you so much, and see you on my next DIY. Mwah. Bye guys.